Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich, market analyst at Hantec Markets. On Thursday the 18th of October, let's have a look at cable, which had a disappointment yesterday. Theresa May again didn't get anything out of the EU summit. But to be honest, the drop that we saw on sterling yesterday pretty much came on the inflation data rather than the EU summit. And that has seen the move just losing traction in the recovery. It's interesting that, I've sort of zoomed out a bit far there. It's interesting that its reaction low 30.75 sort of held it pretty much today, but you can see here yesterday the initial move to the downside on inflation, and then it stabilised a touch and then just went away again after the EU summit, but not to a huge extent. And actually much of that EU summit related weakness has been unwound early this morning. So it's an initial move that hasn't really taken on yet. You can look at this sort of daily chart and you maintain the uptrend support, although the momentum indicators rolling over don't really help technically the bull case, but certainly holding on to that uptrend is still encouraging. But it'd be interesting to see if there is a loss of traction now from this EU summit, which is more than possible, I would say. You're now sort of posting lower highs within the last few weeks, and arguably if you sort of certainly if you close below 30.75, then you sort of start to again lose traction of the recovery, sort of moving towards 30 big figure, which is pretty much to the pit where you get that uptrend coming in today. So if you do see that market sort of testing that uptrend and then breaking it, then you're looking at 29.20, which is your key level near term, because that was the low that we saw. That was the the EU summit from September, where the market sort of lost traction and then sort of rolled over amidst dollar strength. Sort of seen that recovery with a little bit of perhaps blind faith maybe in the Prime Minister, UK Prime Minister, to get something out of the EU, but the market rolling over again. We might see that sort of lack of sort of strength through sterling, sort of pulling the cable lower due to the fact that the dollar seems to be regaining a bit of strength as well. So it'd be interesting to see how this one develops, but certainly loss of momentum in the recovery has been seen now. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.